Hi guys, hope you're well. This is a quick video to tell you what I've actually added to the easy CB method. It's also your invite to come and join us. I'm going to put the link below. What will happen when you join us is you will get a $100 a day funnel created for you from scratch with a really good Clickbank product and niche. I picked the product out for you to make sure that it's a good one and that it will actually convert. I write the emails. I set up the entire funnel for you. And I can do it all with, if you're not into paying for the tools, I've got a autoresponder that's actually free. It's a well-known one. It's Aweber. In fact, your first account on Aweber is free, and I can set it all up in there, and then all you have to do is send traffic with the traffic plan, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. So I've added a bonus last week on this easy CB method, and you get all of that, and you get the case study, and you get bonus traffic sources, and you get support, and you get the personal coaching, and you get the personal plans. The one I added last week was the blitz, and my thinking around this was to actually show you how quick you can generate free traffic. Okay, because let's say you've got all this stuff set up. One of the biggest problems people have, maybe you're in this position where you've tried to promote Clickbank products and you're just not getting the traffic. You might have tried free methods and so on. You might have tried paid methods. But if we just stick with free methods, free traffic, you might have tried it and fallen short. Or you might have tried it and you're just not getting any sales, you're not getting any traction. So I thought I'd add a bonus and actually show you myself doing it for 30 days, okay, and how quick you can generate traffic and sales, and not spend all day every day doing it, just systematically how quick you can actually get it done. And then I was thinking over the weekend, well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to add, rather than just show you the blitz method, I'm actually going to add you some traffic guides to go with the blitz method so you can follow along as well. So while you're watching me do the blitz method, which is all good and well because it will prove to you that it works, you can actually take your funnel, and now I've added some more traffic guides that will cover YouTube. Okay, so I show you how to get traffic from YouTube. I show you how to get traffic from Instagram. I show you how to get free traffic from Facebook. I show you the right way to use Facebook groups. Really, really important. And what you'll actually find with this is that it's not that there's anything miraculous, okay? You've heard of these sites before. You've heard of Instagram, you've heard of YouTube, you've heard of Facebook, you've heard of Twitter, you've heard of Pinterest. But the chances are that you're not using them in the right way that will give you the traffic and the targeted traffic you need. Okay, and that can come down to your targeting. So the actual targeting, who you're targeting in your videos, for instance, or even on Instagram, even on Facebook, who you're actually speaking to. It can come down to a big one here is your content. And even if I said to you about YouTube, like, do you know how to put content on YouTube? You know what? A lot of people trying to make money with Clickbank, do you know what they do? They go and get some YouTube software. And I'm not knocking this if you tried it, okay? It's not a slur on you. It's just a simple explanation that it's just not going to work, okay? They go and get this software and it uploads those robotic voice YouTube videos. And no one's going to watch them. No one's going to click on the links and you're not going to get any traffic, okay? So there's a really cool, easy way that you can, even if you're scared of doing YouTube videos or even if you've never done them before, I guide you through how to do it nice and simply without stressing about it and making it really easy. And the benefit here is actually getting traffic and getting sales. So I show you exactly how to do it. I show you how to use Instagram properly. The amount of people that they know how to use Instagram. I mean, essentially it's just uploading pictures and videos, but they won't be adding the tags in properly. They won't be getting the traction and they won't be getting the movement, you know, like getting moving quickly. And I'm gonna actually give you the traffic guides as well as show you in the blitz. I'm going to give you the traffic guides to do that. So when you've got this funnel created for you with the easy CB method, I'm doing all that for you. You can then follow the traffic guides. Another big one is Facebook. Okay, if you're just posting on Facebook, that's good. That's going to get you some traffic, but it's going to take a long time. Okay, what you want to do is follow my guide on exactly how to use Facebook. So what you've got here is a few of the top social media sites and a complete guide as well as a schedule to get it done, and it will take you about an hour to 2 hours a day, if that. If you did everything I say, it would take you about an hour and a half to 2 hours. If you did the bare minimum that I say, it would take you about an hour a day, and that's the difference between someone that's making money online and someone that isn't. Okay, so come and join us. Easy CB method. You will get the funnel created for you. That's a big thing. I'll tell you why. Okay, really quickly. When you're sending someone to an opt-in, you want to know that the emails are actually going to sell. You want to know that it's a good product. Two, the emails are written well to sell and to actually help. So you know your traffic's not wasted. And the third piece to the puzzle is you've got everything you need to follow the traffic plan. Not just the case studies and seeing me doing it, and not just the traffic blitz, but the actual added content I've just added this weekend, giving you those complete traffic guides that I've just mentioned. And I also give you the schedule as well, so how to break it down, how to make it really easy. It literally is everything you need to make money with Clickbank. If you're brand new, you're going to absolutely love it. I'll tell you who else will love it if you're in this group of people, which there is a lot of people. If you've been trying to do this stuff, okay, so maybe you've been around for a bit, weeks, months, or even years, but you've tried to do it and you just can't seem to get anything to work. All I ask you is to join this and to actually do what it says. It's not an incredible amount of work, I promise. It will take you at most, if you did everything, about 2 hours a day. Okay, about an hour and a half if you're experienced with computers, and then about an hour if you did the bare minimum. That's no time at all to start building up $100 a day days and have that sort of income, and then go on from there. And I'll tell you, the main benefit that you'll get is not $100 a day. The main benefit that you will get is escaping what I call the online rat race. You know how everyone goes online to escape the rat race, like offline? Well, they fall right into another one, and that's going round and round, buying up products, not getting anywhere, staying confused, staying in the same spot for years and years. Come and do this. Get the funnel created for you, get all of those bonuses, get all of the extras, and get everything that you need so you can start making some money. Just follow through the new stuff that I've actually put in. When you get this, I will be in touch with I'm going to pick you a niche out, I'm going to write the emails and so on, as I've mentioned. But also what you get is you'll get a members area where you can go through all this content, the video content, and follow the traffic plan. This is the last call to get in at discount as well. I'd love to have you with me. I think you really enjoy it. Come and join us and get in on the easy CB method, and I'll see you inside. The link's below. And really excited to show you this extra traffic stuff as well. I think you'll love it. It's got a full guarantee on it as well. If you follow everything I'm saying, and it's not an impossible guarantee, okay? If you follow everything I'm saying and you do it and it doesn't work for you, I'll give you a full refund. All you have to do is follow the exact plan, and it will. And I'm showing you it anyway. I'm actually doing it myself and showing you it in the traffic blitz, and I've given you all the stuff so you can do it yourself. So come and join us. I'd love to have you, and I think you'll really benefit from it and have fun as well. And it will be like a moment where you're like, oh, that's how it works. This is how it works. A little bit of work, but more consistently knowing what you're doing each day. I think you'll absolutely love it. Come and join us. Links below, and I'll see you inside. Cheers, guys.